Hey, before you even tap the screen, imagine this. You open the HP 2026 17-inch laptop and everything just flows the way you've always wanted, responsive, fluid, and intuitive, like it finally gets what you're trying to do before you really do it. This is for the kind of person who notices the little delays, the hesitation when switching between tasks, the lag that just feels wrong in 2026. You're done tolerating systems that make you wait or adjust your workflow around them. You want your device to keep up with you, not slow you down. Before we go any further, take a moment to check the current price and availability. Systems with this level of power and a big touch display don't stay available at the best prices for long. You knew it was time to upgrade the moment your old laptop stuttered during a presentation, paused mid-edit, or struggled just to switch between apps that are normal for you. That hesitation wasn't random, that was your instincts telling you that compromise was no longer acceptable. You deserve a laptop that keeps pace with who you are and how you work. Once this becomes your everyday machine, everything feels lighter. You stop closing tabs just to save memory. You stop waiting on apps to load. You don't think about performance. You use it. And that ease, that deep, almost invisible confidence that your system won't let you down, that's a feeling you didn't even realize you were missing. Picture how it fits into real life. You're preparing for a meeting and switching between documents with a tap. You're reviewing big spreadsheets while keeping chat, email, and your browser open, all without hesitation. Later, you're sketching ideas, dragging content between apps, and intuitively using touch controls exactly where you want them, no frustration, no pause. And when you're done, that big 17.3-inch panel feels like a follow-me workspace, not a compromise stuck in a bag. The performance doesn't just exist, it feels intentional. You sense it every time apps launch instantly, every time your workflow feels like a stream instead of a series of steps. That's ownership pride. That's the feeling of using a machine that matches your ambition instead of lagging behind it. And don't stall for weird price swings or stock fluctuations. Every time you glance at something underpowered, you'll quickly circle back here, because you already know deep down how hollow compromise feels. If you're wondering whether a touchscreen business laptop like this can truly handle heavy daily use, that doubt disappears the moment you put it to work. The power of the 15th General Intel Core Ultra 7 combined with fast memory and storage doesn't just handle your tasks, it makes them feel effortless. Here's something most people don't expect until they actually live with it: your workflow feels natural. Not like you're managing limitations, but like you're executing intentions. You get things done with confidence, tasks feel smooth and responsive, touch feels intuitive, real, natural, everything reacts instantly and reliably. You're proud of how it performs. It's not the smallest or lightest notebook, battery dips faster under heavy, sustained loads. At some point, the comparison loop just ends. You realize you're not still browsing specs, you're confirming what your instincts already told you: this is the laptop you already pictured yourself using. Once you've experienced this level of capability and fluid response, anything weaker starts to feel like a step backward. Don't let this be an upgrade you delay and later regret. Check the price and availability, decide with confidence, and step into a laptop that finally keeps pace with how you work, create, and think.